So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and doing great. तो आज की वीडियो कोई हॉल वीडियो नहीं होने वाली है. It's purely a review video, also not a promotional video. मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट बाय किया था Amazon से and मैं उसी का रिव्यू आज देने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वीडियो को देखिएगा लास्ट तक क्योंकि ये वीडियो होने वाली है काफी ज्यादा यूजफुल आप लोगों के लिए. प्रोडक्ट का मैं आज रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ, वो प्रोडक्ट है DigiCheck का ट्राइपॉड सेल्फी स्टिक. सो रिसेंटली मेरी डॉटर ने मेरा जो ट्राइपॉड था वो ब्रेक कर दिया था. सो आई थॉट कि मुझे अब नया ट्राइपॉड ले लेना चाहिए. सो उसके लिए आई स्क्रॉल्ड एंड आई सर्च सो मैनी ट्राइपॉड्स ऑन अमेजोन. मेरे लिए ईजी टू यूज़ कंपैटिबल रहे एंड काफ़ी सारे मुझे वहाँ पे दिखे ट्राइपॉड्स. लेकिन मुझे जो सबसे अच्छा लगा was beyond my expectations. Quality wise, so easy to use and easy to carry. So, using this tripod and making this video, like this is the best one. So I note down some points about this tripod and discuss and explain all the features of this tripod. So first thing is the brand is DigiTech DTR525SS long tripod selfie stick. It's foldable and it's very lightweight. You can carry easily, so easily that it has only 1 kg weight. Super duper lightweight, and it has a remote control, so you can click your pictures and by connecting with your phone. So it is easy to carry and install. And material, its metal is aluminum, so it's very strong. Right, extend this tripod in 160 centimeter. Like मेरे से भी ऊपर जाता है इसका थोड़ा लेंथ जो है. इट्स सो लॉन्ग. ऑल्सो मल्टी पर्पज एंड मल्टी यूजेस. इट हैज आई मेंशन्ड कि इट हैज़ लॉन्ग ट्राइपॉड एंड ऑल्सो सेल्फी स्टिक, सो इट्स मल्टी पर्पज. Wireless remote has feature of 10 meter range. I mean, it works in 10 meter range, and also it has a 360-degree ball head. You can rotate this like in 360-degree, like you can move anywhere. And also 240-degree, it has tilt, like bend downwards, like for your downward videos. Also it has compatible with phones and action cameras like GoPro. It's also very good, ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. You can use this tripod. Some little disadvantage of this tripod वो यही है, legs हैं. It has 3 legs, but due to its shorter legs, जो कि कैमरा अगर आप अटैच करते हो इसके साथ, like Canon camera which is heavy in weight, so it becomes like non-stable, like it's a little shaky in the above length. So it's suitable for camera like for less height. इसे ज़्यादा हाइट Canon camera, but with GoPro and mobile phones it is very good option. Very useful and affordable also. This tripod you can buy this at rupees around 1200 to 1300 I think. So this range is also very good. You can get amazing product in very good range. So go and buy it. So this is it for today. ये थी मेरी आज की वीडियो जो कि थी एक रिव्यू वीडियो ट्राइपॉड सेल्फी स्टिक, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूजफुल है मेरे लिए एंड आपके लिए भी हो सकती है. आई मीन इट्स दैट गुड प्रोडक्ट. मैं इसे 10 आउट ऑफ 10 दूंगी क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. इन दिस वे एंड एडजस्ट योर फोन हियर. Alright, and you can also move in this direction, like also in vertical and horizontal way. So also one more thing, like you can bend it like in this way. If you are making in the downward surface, you can also shoot like this, in this. Like also a camera like GoPro and the Canon life cameras here in this screw, so you can connect here by adjusting this area. This tripod has selfie stick and its stand. You can unlock by this, opening this, and the legs which are so strong, and also the metal is aluminum which is very strong enough to hold your mobile phones and cameras. So this is, in quality wise, these are very strong and perfect. You can after adjusting you can lock like this, and also you will get a remote, wireless remote with this tripod, and you can connect the mobile phone with this, and just clicking in the remote you can click your pictures in the phone or camera. So as you can see, how long is this tripod? Very strong, affordable and good quality product. So very easy to assemble and adjustable. So pocket friendly, tripod cum selfie stick, useful. You will not regret after buying this product. So thumbs up for this. Go for it, guys. And also, this is not only for the content creators or video maker, people who loves to travel and click their photos like selfies, and they can also buy this, carry with them in their travel time, and take their pictures and videos so easily. So you can buy this product. जो links है मैं वो description में दे दूँगी, आप वहाँ जाकर उसे buy कर सकते हैं from Amazon. So this is it for today. This was my review of tripod selfie stick of Digitech from Amazon. So वीडियो अगर अच्छी लगी होगी, हेल्पफुल लगी होगी तो इसे लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए एंड चैनल को करिएगा सब्सक्राइब. मिलती हूँ एक और इंटरेस्टिंग हेल्पफुल सी वीडियो के साथ. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.